We are staying at the Diamond M Ranch for the next 2 nights because tomorrow we are going rafting. We actually just drove over the Kenai River. It is incredibly beautiful. We are about to check into our lodge. We're in front of an old saloon, West Town-ish. I don't know. It's an interesting style they have going here, but supposedly it's a pretty cool setup. And we drove past the llamas, so there's lots of ranch life that seems to be kind of a theme in our life these days. But nonetheless, we're really excited. Kenai is going to be great, and we're super excited for rafting tomorrow.
We are in front of our VRBO. We just checked in. It is like around the corner from this little western town we entered in. And y'all, this is not what I thought it was going to be when I booked it on VRBO. It is way better. We have a kick-ass view, which we will get to. And it's like their honeymoon suite. We've got a little carport. I'm so excited to stay here. Let's look around. The decor is a little grandma. Flowers. Flowers. More flowers. 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 However, it's really clean and bright and cozy. We have basically a full kitchen and a whole living room with tons of windows and purple carpet, which is my favorite color, so yay. But it's super huge. This is huge. Blackout curtains, which is a must. Our bathroom has a jacuzzi. Like the tub is a jacuzzi for 2. Like, it's huge. This is not what you would, I mean, it has a shower and stuff. Actually, it has 2 showers. I didn't know that until just now. 2 shower heads. We can both shower and not fight over the water. And then we have this really interesting decorated bedroom, but there's like I think this is a memory foam. We got a memory foam mattress, which is a huge plus. This like super tall ceilings. We got a lot of decor happening in here. But like this is a whole bedroom with a door and a TV. And the best part is this view is unbelievable. This exceeded my expectations beyond what I ever could have imagined. It's a little kitschy and weird and like, I don't know. The decor's a little grandma, but it's super cute, and I'm so excited to stay here for the next 2 nights. Now that we have explored our room, let's go check out all that these grounds have to offer.
We worked up quite the appetite with all that exploring.
We're gonna make a stir fry. Now, honestly, we constantly crave like a home cooked meal. We get so sick of eating out. It's always a challenge because it's like, I don't have everything that I normally have. So, we found some stir fry sauce that looks pretty good. So we are going to make a stir fry for dinner tonight with a bunch of random veggies that we found at the store and some microwave rice, because I always burn rice. Has a really strong onion. I need your shirt. Dog crashing a dinner party. Oh, are you That'll be cute. It is rafting day. We are about an hour away from the little ranch we've been staying on in Kenai in Cooper's Landing at the Alaska Wildland at Alaska Wildland Adventures, and we are going to raft the Kenai River.
It's going to be an awesome day. We have seen the river. We've been driving by it on our way here. It is gorgeous. It is truly one of the best looking bodies of water I have ever seen, and I am so excited to be in the middle of it on a raft.
So let's go get geared up and safety checked and all that fun stuff so we can get on the river. Oh, I can relate to these. I need some of these. Oh, very nice. Huge fan of these outfits. Yeah.
I'm going to start by acknowledging and giving thanks to the Dena'ina people and Kenai tribe. They've lived on this land for generations. They continue to do so today, and they're one of the many organizations that all work together to help protect the Kenai Peninsula. So we can do really fun things like go rafting.
Trail or something.
Redfish over
So
there.
here's a better shot
Fat
of a bald
guys.
eagle. There's a baby bear cub just hanging out by himself.
We have pulled over to the BSE best spot ever for lunch. So, yet again, lunch on a river, can't go wrong. This rafting trip has been awesome so far. It's very relaxing, mindfulness, and we're having lots of fun. So now it's time for lunch.
After rafting through a few bumpy, splashy canyons, our guide, Layla, rafted us to Skilac Lake to the tune of her original sea shanty.
I'm rowing out to Skilac Lake, I'm rowing out, hi-ho. I'm rowing out to Skilac Lake, I'm rowing out, hi-ho. Down the canyon through the burning yellow rafts we go. Down the canyon through the burning yellow rafts we go. We're rowing out to Skilac Lake, we're rowing out, hi-ho. We're rowing out to Skilac Lake, we're rowing out, hi-ho. I took the mailman for a float, have you heard of Carl Malone? I took the mailman for a float, have you heard of Carl Malone? We're rowing out to Skilac Lake, we're rowing out, hi-ho. We're rowing out to Skilac Lake, we're rowing out, hi-ho. The mighty waves may knock us back, but morale's never low. The mighty waves may knock us back, but morale's never low. We're rowing out to Skilac Lake, we're rowing out, hi-ho. We're rowing out to Skilac Lake, we're rowing out, hi-ho. Nellie's out there waiting for us, she'll take us home. Nellie's out there waiting for us, she'll take us home.
We made it all the way back after a 40-minute boat ride and a 45-minute bus ride.
Boat? Oh yeah, the boat.
There was a boat.
I was like, we were on a raft.
We went from a raft to a boat to a
van.
bus. Well, van.
No, to a car. That was so much fun. The boat was a bonus.
It was.
I didn't know that was gonna
That
happen.
was unexpected,
Epic.
but super awesome.
Yeah, like it was
Ski Lac
so
Lake
beautiful.
is glacier fed, and it is beautiful.
That blue,
It
I
is-
just can't.
I mean, you just so many. I'm never gonna stop talking about shades of blue.
We are headed out soon for more adventures. So hit the subscribe button so you can tag along for those adventures, and we will see you next time.